we always get the question that which is better for my car, Unichip or reflash? Well, obviously, first and foremost, we need to know what car we're talking about, because sometimes people ask that as their first question, and obviously I'm not a mind reader. I don't know what car you have. You might have one car, you might have 5 cars, so it's best to let me know upfront what car, what year, what model, what engine, so you get a better answer. Like in the case of this 2003 Isuzu Alterra, Unichip or reflash? Well, my answer is Unichip because reflash will not work. Back in 2003, reflash and remap wasn't even in the English dictionary yet. So as a rule of thumb, for most diesel cars, anything 2007 upwards can be remapped. Anything older, Unichip. So this includes the aforementioned Alterra, D-Max, Patrol, older Pajero, and what else diesels do we have? That's pretty much it. Back in 2000, those are the diesels that you can buy. Okay, in the case of this 2003 Alterra, it is Unichip. Because back in 2003, what else can we buy? D-Max, decent Patrol. All of these can be tuned with Unichip. No reflash yet for these cars. Anything 2007 upwards, diesel, it's pretty much safe that we can reflash. Well, except for the ones that are still being sold right now, like the Adventure, the L300, the Crosswind, Sportivo. None of these diesel cars have any ECU, so neither Unichip nor reflash will work. So back to the car at hand, this is where the Unichip is installed, because this is actually the computer box of the car. Ooh. Reminds me of a family computer game cartridge, kind of big. And this is Unichip, this is installed here. We're using the Q4 because this already has an electronic throttle, a little bit advanced for its time at 2003. These are the wires that connect to the engine, actually the ECU harness. So we have power, ground, fuel rail pressure, then injector timing. Then this module here, these other 4 wires are the ones that connect directly to the throttle to give better throttle response. So this is the wire that connects the Unichip to the laptop. So this is a proprietary 6-pin connector. Then the other end is a USB. And like everything else, once again, dyno first to see what we're dealing with, how much power it makes in stock. So at least we have some basis to know what to adjust and how much power we'll get afterwards. Dito yung malakas. Ito, malakas din yung torque. Lalo na yan, yung unang tapak. So, ang kaya mo talunin is, yun, Fortuner na 2.4, Mu X na 2.5, D-Max na 2.5, Ranger, hindi, malakas na yun. Oh, Strada na base model, pwede pa. Yun. But if you see new 2.8 Fortuner, no. Terra, no. Navara, no also. That ABS light will go away once the car starts rolling. Because it comes up, because on the dyno, rears are moving, front isn't. So the assumption of the computer is that, hey, your car is slipping. We're not going to engage ABS right now.
Pero sir, pagka mo na yan,
give or take, pag daan natin dyan, mawawala na yan. That way. Okay, I was waiting till we get there, but okay.
Doon pa lang sir, ramdam ko na yung difference.
Sige, diretso ka pa.
Doon pa lang. Alam ramdam ko na yung diferensya pa lang dun sa stock na.
Nabagal kasi yung motor eh, kaya akala ko hindi ka pa upak eh.
Sa una pa lang, sa 3, ba 2,000 pa sir yung, or 3?
And give or take, I think your pedal's only about 15-20%.
Ano to sa express?
Malaman sa exercise mamaya.
Kaliwa sir, no?
No, not here. Dito maluwag eh. See? Tadaan! Unahan mo na yan.
Tsaka yung ano sir ng turbo sa ano, kasi nadidinig mo na siya.
Mas galit yung turbo ngayon.
Yan sir, hindi na pwedeng i-improve yung turbo niya, no? Stock lang talaga siya.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Meron, pero madami ka pang ibang papalitan aside from the turbo. You need to change the injectors, you need to change the injection pump and all of that stuff. So never mind. Overtake this stupid Swift, too slow.
Ayan sir, no? Ano pa lang talaga siya. Doon pa lang.
Yeah.
Sobrang sulit. Kaya sabi ko nga doon sa father ko, sabi ko kung okay yung turbo, doon sa ako sa isang option, yun nga po yung Unichip na yun.
Yep. Okay pa naman yung turbo eh. It's making the correct boost, making the correct power, and we're able to make more power from it. So, tapos, wala kang gastos na extra. Yes.
Okay.
What made you say na sira ba yung turbo?
Ano sir, dahil nakikita ko lang siya para may deposit ng langis sa ilalim.
Normal yun. Normal yun.
Kaya sabi ko baka may leak yung...
Normal yun. I did tell you before, the intercooler will need cleaning every so often.
Ano sir yun? Bale every...
Kasi every 6 months na lang.
6 months.
Kasi that oil from the turbo will get deposited to the very bottom of the intercooler.
So yun dapat sir yung maalis, malinis.
Yun. We've seen some examples that have gone without cleaning for about 2 years. Kasi pwede mo ibuhos palabas yung langis.
Kaya tama lang pala din sir na napalitan yung intercooler. Ano po?
Ayan, hindi mo kaya yan, inuman na bago. Hindi pa rin. Malakas talaga yan.
2 point na yan sir.
2.8 yan eh. I think these things make about, actually pantayan lang, these things should make about 150, 155 stock.
Stock pa lang sir yun.
Stock pa lang sa kanya yun. Sa iyo tonado na. So, sige, sumubok.
So ibig sabihin sir, sa ganitong model, okay na to?
Okay na to. Malakas to sa ganitong model.
Okay.
Kung nakita ka lumang Alterra yun naman. No?
Pero yung mga newer models medyo sakto lang.
Yeah. Well, like I keep saying, it's a 17-year-old car.
2006 nga sir.
Yun.
Kaya tama lang sa kanya na ganito yung at least yung ma-improve.
Yep. Is your dad gonna drive this?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Kaya for sure, pag ano ko, maninibago yun. Kaya tamang ano lang siya, family car na siya.
The ABS light goes went out.
Yes sir, wala na siya.
Okay.
Very much satisfied.
Enjoy on the expressway later.
Yes.
Going south.
Sir, salamat
Alright,
marami.
thank you.
Thank you sir. Yan yun sir, pagka may bagong na ano, ito ko na daan sir. Ibang block lang po.